Greetings to all. I am Priya of class 8 Sharavati and I am here to speak on the topic of Unity Day, which helps us to understand that the unity is the strength. In this competitive world we currently reside in, everyone wants to outperform in the both professional and the personal aspects of life. Every year, October 31st is marked as the Unity Day or the Rashtriya Ekta Divas. The Rashtriya Ekta Divas was observed by the Government of India in 2014 to observe Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st of October 1875 at Naniad in Gujarat. He played an important role in the Indian independence movement. A meeting with Mahatma Gandhi in 1917 brought him closer to the Indian independence movement. He joined the non-corporation movement in 1920 and travelled around West India to recruit with 3 lakh members. It was the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928 which earned the Vallabhbhai Patel the title of Sardar. He was an immense source of inspiration for the youth of the nation. After getting the independence in 1947, there were more than 565 princely states in our country. After getting independence in 1947, there were more than 565 princely states in our country. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel integrated these princely states with his clear policies. He had the force to annex the princely states of Junagadh ruled by Nawab and the Hyderabad ruled by Nizam. Both of them were not wished to merge their respective states with the Union of India. India is the only country where people of different religions, castes and sections live together with love and harmony. There is a unity and diversity in our country and this is the biggest strength of our country. So we should respect all the religions, castes and sections. All this has been done only due to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, so we will never forget his contribution. Therefore, on this special occasion, we all Indians take this pledge. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself preserving the unity, integrity and the security of the nation and spread this message to all my fellow countrymen. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.